Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Advanced Mathematics of Class 8, and today we are doing exercise 7E, and this is regarding the area of triangles in coordinate system. So in order to find the area of a triangle, suppose I have a triangle here and I want to find the area of this triangle. Now I need the points, okay, I need these points, the vertices. If I know the coordinates of these vertices, then I can find the area of this triangle. Okay, so let us have three coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 as the three coordinates of the three vertices of a triangle. If we know this three values, three coordinates, if we know, then the area of the triangle is given by we have a formula that is plus minus half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and this is the formula of area of a triangle in the Cartesian coordinate plane. So for this, what do we need to know? We need to know the three vertices, coordinates of the three vertices. If these three vertices are given, you can apply this formula and you can find the value. Now the question is why do we have a plus minus here? This plus minus is used for finding the value as a positive value, since area can never be negative, right? We never find negative area, it's always positive. So after solving this part, if you get a negative value, you will use minus from here, because negative will give us positive. If you get a positive value, then you will use plus from here, because positive will give us positive. Suppose after solving the whole thing, you get something like this, plus minus half into minus 6. Okay, so 2 and 3 will cancel, you get plus minus minus 3. So therefore we will use area equal to minus of minus 3, so that we get 3. Okay, if you get suppose plus 6, then in this case it will be plus 3, so you will be using plus. Understood? In this case you will be using plus 3, that is 3. Okay, so if you get minus in the answer, you will be using from plus minus, you will choose minus, because minus will give us plus, and if you get a positive answer, then plus will give you again plus. So this plus minus is only meant for getting a positive answer, you should never get a negative answer. Okay, so let us move on to the exercise. It's a very simple exercise. So we have exercise 7E, and let us start. So in exercise 7E, look at question number 1. There are 6 questions are given. I will be doing 2. Which 2? I will be doing number 4 and number 5. Okay, number 4 and 5. So question number 1, number 4. Let us look at the points. So the points are 5 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 7 and 1 comma 2. These are the points. For your ease of solving, what you can do, we can do that here. Which one is x1? x1 is 5, y1 is minus 1, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 7, x3 is 1 and y3 is 2. Okay, so this is our x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So this part under here, this part you can write so that it becomes easier for you. Okay, so now that you have the idea which one is which value, therefore we can write area of triangle is equal to plus minus half into, as we have seen the formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Done? Just put the values now. Plus minus half into, which is x1? x1 is 5, y2 is 7 minus 2 plus x2 is minus 1, y3 is 2 minus 1 in y1, x3 is 1 into x1, y1 is minus 1, y2 is 7. Okay, simple. You have just put the values. Now calculate. Plus minus half into 5 into 5 plus minus 1 into minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into minus 8. So plus minus half 25 minus 3 minus 8. 25 minus 11 is 14. So it is 7. So it is plus minus 7. So since we want a positive answer, therefore area of triangle is equal to 7. Now in 7 it will be square units, because area we always find in centimeter square, meter square, decimeter square. We always find in square units, right? So here we don't have any centimeter or meter, so we will write it is square units. Okay, understood? Look at it. 3 points are given. We will find out which one is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, and then we will put the values in the formula. As simple as that. Moving on to question number 5. So number 1, Roman 5. Again we have the values a, b, b, c and ca. We have a, b, b, c and ca. So here we know that here our x1 is a, y1 is b, x2 is b, y2 is c and x3 is c, y3 is a. So therefore area of triangle is equal to plus minus half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Put the values plus minus half. It is a into c minus a, c minus a, plus b into a minus b plus c into b minus c. So what do we get from here? Plus minus half into ac minus a square plus ab minus b square plus bc minus c square. So it is minus a square minus b square minus c square plus ab plus bc plus c. We can keep it like this, or we can take minus common, so it becomes minus half. It is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Okay, so now we don't know whether a, b, c, what are their values, whether it will be positive or it will be negative, we don't know. So as a result, what we will do is, rather than writing this statement, it will be better off keeping it here. Okay, it will be better to keep it here. So this is the area of the triangle. Since you cannot calculate any further, so this is the answer that we have. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. So question number 2, there are 3 questions. I'll be doing one. Let us do question number 2, Roman 2. Okay, show that the points below are collinear. Now, in case of collinear points, what happens? If 3 points are collinear, that means they form a straight line, they don't form a triangle. So if I use the 3 coordinate points and try to find the area of the triangle, now a straight line is not a triangle, so the area will be 0. Okay, so if 3 points are given and you try to find the area of the triangle and the area comes out to be 0, that means the 3 points are collinear. Very simple idea. If the value is not 0, that means they form a triangle, so that means they will not be collinear. So non-collinear points always form a triangle, but collinear points will never form a triangle. So now that we have this, we have 3 points. 3 points are given here. Let us start with question number 2, Roman 2. It is a comma b plus c, b comma c plus a and c comma a plus b. These are the 3 points. So here our x1 is a, y1 is b plus c, x2 is b, y2 is c plus a, x3 is c and y3 is a plus b. So therefore area of triangle is equal to plus minus half into, formula is this, just put the values again, same as usual. A into y2 is c plus a minus b. B into a plus b minus c plus c into b plus c minus a minus c minus a. C will cancel, B will cancel, A will cancel. So now A into C, AC minus AB plus AB minus BC plus BC minus CA. And now all plus minus will cancel. The answer will be plus minus half into 0. So it is 0. So since area of triangle is equal to 0, therefore the points are collinear. Okay. Hence showed. Very simple. You find the value of the area of triangle. If it is 0, then it is a collinear points. These all are collinear points. So here we have learned the formula, how to find the area and how to prove. Using this area formula, we have to prove how 3 points are collinear. Question number 3 will not be required. Okay. So thank you everyone. I hope you understood. So this is all about chapter 7. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me as usual, and until next time, cheers.